Hey everyone, I thought I would show you my current project. I know I haven't posted anything in a long time. This is a non-model train related item, but still kind of cool nonetheless. So here it is. This is a back up so you can get a better picture of it. It's a 1970 Volkswagen Baja that I acquired. Okay. Didn't have any lights on it that worked. So I'm in the process of rewiring the whole thing. It's fairly all still there. These are some different seats that I got for it. I have the original still as well. Putting some aftermarket gauges in. It's nothing special in the engine compartment. This is 1600 with a single Solex. So changes to be made eventually. I did put brand new tires and wheels on it, which I've had this thing for almost a year now. I put the roof rack on it, and I haven't even driven it. Been busy with other projects. So that's about it. I'll do some more videos as I'm doing work on the vehicle now.